Now the ninth one is there, which says Aamrapali observed that young mango sapling stem bends flexibly during monsoon winds and does not break. Which tissue is responsible for the flexibility? Predict and provide your explanation of the impact if the existing tissue was replaced by sclerenchyma. तो flexible tissue कौन सा होता है हमारा? That's sclerenchyma tissue. Young mango sapling में कौन है? Sclerenchyma tissue, and sclerenchyma cells have unevenly thickened walls. Thickened walls है इसका मतलब they are providing support to the mango sapling stem, and this allows the stem to bend in with wind without breaking. Bend हो जाते हैं without breaking. अगर आप इसको sclerenchyma से कर दोगे तो they would lose the flexibility, क्योंकि जो sclerenchyma होता है वो dead cells होते हैं and they are very hard and brittle. ठीक है, थिक होता है सेल वॉल, उसका लिग्निफाइड सेल वॉल होता है, रिजिड होता है मतलब, तो बहुत हार्ड और ब्रिटल हो जाएगा, इसका मतलब उसकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी खत्म हो चुकी है.